Have you ever pondered how you could earn money by simply linking people with the products they require? Welcome to the fascinating world of affiliate marketing. Think of it as the modern digital matchmaker. It's not about setting up people on dates, but rather, it's about connecting people with the products and services they need. Imagine you find a product you love, you share it with others, and voila! You earn a commission when they make a purchase through your unique link. Picture this: you're at the heart of a bustling digital marketplace, navigating through an ocean of products and guiding people towards what they need. As an affiliate, you share trusted recommendations. You're not just a guide, but also an entrepreneur, running your own mini business within the vast digital economy. So, you see, affiliate marketing is a win-win for everyone. You help others discover great solutions, and you earn a piece of the pie. Now you might ask, what is your role in this process? As an affiliate marketer, your role is akin to a digital matchmaker. You connect individuals with products or services they need or desire. Imagine walking into a vast digital marketplace, bustling with noise and options. It's overwhelming, right? This is where you step in. Like a trusted guide, you help people navigate this marketplace, pointing them towards products that suit their needs and tastes. But there's more. You're not just a guide, you're also an entrepreneur. When people make a purchase through your unique links, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. You help others discover great solutions, and in return, you earn a slice of the pie. It's about building trust, offering value, and reaping the rewards of your efforts. In essence, as an affiliate marketer, you get to play two roles: the guide who helps and the entrepreneur who benefits. Are you ready to embark on this exciting journey of digital matchmaking? Picture yourself as a pioneer in the vast landscape of the internet, connecting people with the products and services they need. As an affiliate marketer, you become a beacon of guidance, helping others navigate the sea of online options. Imagine the thrill of earning commissions from each successful match you make. Think about the satisfaction of knowing you're contributing to the world by helping people find exactly what they need. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing. It's not just about the potential earnings, though that's certainly a perk. It's about becoming a trusted advisor, a digital matchmaker, and an entrepreneur all rolled into one. It's about embracing the challenge and reaping the rewards. So are you ready to step into this role, to become the guide and the entrepreneur? Join us on this exciting journey where you have the opportunity to be both. Until next time, keep connecting and keep earning.